Hey guys, what's going on? It's been a minute, a whole minute. Today I went and picked up some of these LED pod lights from Walmart. We're gonna get them put on. I've heard some good and some bad things about them, but if they don't work, I end up taking them back. I ain't fired up the Tahoe since probably the last video that I uploaded about the Tahoe. It's been sitting over here all nice and pretty. She ain't moved. So y'all fixing to get here a nice cold start. I got these pod lights right here. It's just a 4-piece. They're Bluetooth compatible and do all kinds of different patterns with them. They actually feel kind of heavy, so I feel pretty good about them. They come with these little screw mounts, but you got to bolt them, so I'm probably just gonna get some self-tapping screws and run those up to hold it on here. It comes with the Bluetooth hub kit right here. If you got a long truck, you're probably going to have to buy some more wire to run them, because they only run about 9.5 feet, the length of the cable anyways. And on my truck, on the front ones, I'm gonna run them up behind this cover I got here. You can run them either to the front or to the back, but this is gonna be easiest for me. And I'm gonna put them kind of towards the middle, if not towards the front, because I don't want to be too far back, because you'll see the light. So, and on the backs, I'm gonna put them on, I think I'm gonna put them on this side of the lip, run the wire all the way down and follow the frame of the truck. You're going to need extra wire to do this, because it doesn't give you a lot of room to work with on the wire. So anyways, let me get those semi-ran, loose wired them, and I'm gonna use zip ties and stuff to hold the wire in place, that way it don't be flopping all over the place. So let me do that right quick. Do a coop. Anyways, finally got them ran. I'm gonna wrap these with some wire. Wrap in here in a minute. First I'm gonna drill a pilot hole right here for the pod light. These aren't self-tappers. If you got self-tappers, that'll work too. But anyways, drill you a pilot hole to mount that off of, and it'll work just fine. Well, time to run the other side. Going to the fronts just like that. I went and got some wire conduit to hide all these wires, especially for the back, because I had to wire 4 different wires up to the back to make them longer. So I went and got some conduit for that. Gotta finish wiring up the front side now and I'll be done. And then I gotta run it to my battery. So just a few more minutes. It's dark outside, so I ain't gotta wait for tomorrow to come to show y'all during the dark what it looks like. So check it out, guys. I don't know how good y'all can see it, but they're pretty cool. Hook them up to your app. Here are the coyotes. Let's see. Go red, pink, white. You can do like different ones. Fade in, fade out. You can speed it up. Let me turn these lights off right quick. Do those. Let's go back. Let's do one solid. Do a green, white, blue. You can even dim them if you'd like. Turn them up. Let's see. The only complaint I have is the white isn't really a true white. It's like a mix of all colors. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like green, blue, and yellow or something like that. Thrown together kind of make white. Let me know what y'all think. Also, on the chrome grille and bumper, it's just a thought out there, but I don't know if I should color match it or not. I've seen some blacked out ones and they look pretty good. But then again, I like the touch of chrome. I don't know, it's a hard decision, but y'all let me know what y'all think. Just give me your thoughts and give me some more ideas. If y'all want me to do something else, I'll try it out if I can. But anyways, see y'all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.